Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GC.
This is one.
Present, our keynote speaker and chairman of the Progressive Governors for Ahmed Usman Ododo, Honorable Council here present, the Chief of Staff to the President, distinguished representatives present, our Royal Father, Alhaji Mohammed Saad Abubakar present, co-chairman of this company, Shehu Oshola, and Chief Onyema Ogochukwu, very senior advisors of the President on Media, Information and other commissioners here present from the Nigerian Guild of Editors, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and welcome to the 21st Round Minds, Thought Leaders, Media Professionals Association. And my co-MC is Ms. Polly, who will navigate this conference to a successful end.
Compelling theme. Democratic governance and national cohesion. It is a subject that strikes at the very heart on how, as editors, we interpret democracy unity in an increasingly complex
that inform, educate, and hold power accountable.
Days we will interrogate how
beyond the headlines and deadlines, our ultimate duty is to truth.
As we set the tone for what promises to be an end, let us recall
the 21st All Nigeria Editors Conference. taking place in the city of Abuja. Please, can we put...
And so, we would like a bit of editors. Is it Anaba?
To GCFR.
Well-established protocol by the MC and reaffirmed by the president of the guild, and confirmed in attendance in our conference. I think it deserves, our dear president deserves a round of applause. The place of the editor no longer matters to government. But today, as said by the Minister of Sokoto, Alhaji Sahad Abubakar III, MNI, for finding time to come. As a matter of fact, he was ready to be here even the last week where the...
It's my honor and privilege to call on Mr. President to kindly receive this. Our president is Anaba.